Welcome to this video. Today, we will guide you on how to use flashcards for your children's learning. Flashcards are a fun and safe tool that can help children learn new things. So, let's get started. Using flashcards for your children's education offers several significant benefits. They can aid in teaching your child language, numbers, colors, animals, fruits, and other important subjects. By using flashcards, you can capture your child's attention and help them understand things better. Preparing flashcards for children is easy. You will need a whiteboard or paper, several colored pencils, and small pieces of paper. You can write a word, number, or draw an image on a piece of paper and give it a structured shape with a pencil or in a way that suits your child. You can also use online resources to print ready-made flashcards. Using flashcards can make learning interesting and educational for your child. You can slowly show them a flashcard and ask them to name it. Please encourage them to answer correctly and praise them for their efforts. Additionally, you can ask your child to name flashcards shown by others and encourage them to provide the correct answers. This will boost their confidence and make learning a rewarding experience. It is important to keep flashcards organized for children. You can create a box or a small cupboard where you can safely store all the flashcards. This will give your child a sense of library-like setting and provide them an opportunity to count the flashcards and organize them according to their subjects. By using flashcards, you can also provide your child with opportunities to play. You can combine flashcards with various activities and games. This will keep them engaged and make learning a fun experience. For example, you can play a hiding game with flashcards, where they have to find the hidden flashcards, or play a matching game with numbers or words. Lastly, it is crucial to encourage regular study sessions with flashcards. Set a designated time and place where you and your child can focus on memorizing and recalling the signs and words most sensitively. We hope this video has been helpful to you. By using flashcards with your child, you will inspire them to study and enjoy the process of acquiring new knowledge and learning. For similar information and videos, please subscribe our channel.